We are live in our live trading video series today. We're going to talk about market panics and how to find the winners in a market panic. So, how do you find the best time to find winners is either when everybody's trash talking the market or everybody's panicking. So, last week there was a panic in cryptocurrencies. Everything was down. This is I call this the Korea panic because basically what happened was the South Korean government was saying that they didn't want people to be trading cryptocurrencies anonymously, and this was reported, somewhat misreported, as like an outright ban on cryptocurrencies. So Forbes said Korean government's intention may be to ban anonymous crypto trading rather than cryptocurrency trading in general. And CNBC originally reported a ban on all cryptocurrency trading, but later on said South Korea cryptocurrency ministry softened stance. So there was a lot of panic around this announcement, and Yahoo Finance, when they reported it, you can see their heat map. This is the heat map from Yahoo Finance, and this is 8:30 in the morning on January 11th. Every major cryptocurrency was in the red, significantly in the red, all the big ones. So you can see that there was a real panic over this Korea news. And in the midst of the panic, the smartest thing to do is look for the winners because that's how you can filter out really strong, resilient cryptocurrencies is look for winners amidst the panic. Now, um, going back to our chart here, if you look at we're going to look for the top performers, those that had a 20% or more increase in that week during that Korean panic. Now, there were three. There were only three, and that's good. You really want to filter out the losers, and it's very easy in a market where all the cryptocurrencies are up, okay, where everybody's in the green, all right, like when you're looking at this and they're all in the green, or you're looking at the Yahoo Finance heat map and they're all in the green, it's very easy, to say, oh, this is a great currency, this is a great coin, but when they're all down, when they're all in the red, that's when you want to start looking for the winners because those are the ones that are really resilient and those are the ones that really may have hidden value that you don't see when the market is up in general. So here's VEN. Okay, right here in this corner, you can see VEN is in the green. And looking at the top performers for that week that have $1 billion or more in market cap, also you can see VEN comes in there. It's 31st in market cap, so just 1.7 billion in market cap, but it was up. There's the chart for the week. It was up significantly for the week, and then the other two that were up were this Smart Cash and Neo. Neo was also up for the week. You can see in the little chart here from CoinMarketCap. So of those three, I'm going to go to Google Trends. And what I want to do is I want to see what's trending, what people are looking for from those results. So now we have three 1 billion plus cryptocurrencies. There are only three out of there's about 35 or 36 total. So there are only three that in the midst of that Korea panic were still up, and they were the Smart Cash coin, VE Chain, and Neo. So, and if you look at the Google trend, this just shows you how what the interest is over time comparatively. This is over the last 30 days, and you can see this VE Chain coin is up here in the red at 72%. So it's at near a high for interest. So there's a lot of interest in it, even in the midst of this panic. And if you look at its performance, you can see that it did pretty well. It went from 380 to $7.50 in that period of time. So again, that's not a huge move for a cryptocurrency, but remember that in that period of time, the entire market was just completely tanking. Okay, every coin was in the red, uh, pretty big time. So when you talk about this VEN, we're talking about from Google Trends. First of all, going to our Google Trends, you can see that the VE chain, this one in red, is near an all-time near a high of the last 30 days of interest in search, and it's also increased in price in the midst of a major panic, a big-time down market. So when the entire market is crashing, the coin is up. You want to take a good look at it. So let's look at the fundamentals. It uses radio frequency RFID technology and sensors to authenticate luxury goods like wines. It's already been successfully implemented in several products, including microchipping women's purses. And remember what blockchain is, right? Blockchain is self-verifying data. So when any kind of data that can be verified by a trusted third party can be verified without that trusted third party by a blockchain. And the way that happens, again, just in review, is cryptographic math. Okay, that miners on the blockchain take these unconfirmed transactions and bundle them into blocks, seal the blocks, and lock them in place using the solution of a cryptographic math puzzle. And the blockchain itself can verify the data because each block consists of a piece of the previous block plus all the transactions that were bundled into that block plus a random number guess run through a cryptographic hash algorithm. So that puzzle solution identifies that block as being in the right place in the chain and all those transactions within that block as being valid. And it's locked into place, so it's almost impossible to tamper with, alter, counterfeit, or otherwise corrupt. So the self-verifying data allows you to use blockchain to verify a chain of custody or the authenticity of a luxury good. And that's what they're doing here with VE chain. And again, this currency performed very well in the midst of the Korea panic. It has several high-profile partnerships, and it uses blockchain and self-verifying data to verify the authenticity of luxury goods. And that is the first of our 3 cryptocurrencies that were performing well within, amidst that big Korea crisis. And the other 2 are Neo and Smart Cash. And you can see Smart Cash had a really nice run from January 7th at 48 cents to a high of $3.40 on the 13th. And again, remember that bad Korean news came out on the 11th or on the 10th. And again, Neo had a great move from $86 to $156 in the same period, and that Korean news came out right here in the middle, somewhere around January 10th. So looking at that, it went from $86 to $156. So we'll look at Neo and we'll look at Smart Cash in our next live trading video. I hope the information in this live trading video will help you make smarter cryptocurrency investment decisions. Ciao for now.